Hello guys, welcome back to Tamron Legend. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the brand new Tamron 11-20mm for the Sony E-mount camera. So as you can see, it says it's for Sony E-mount. And right now I'm recording with the Sony a6700. Usually I record with this camera, my iPhone 12 Pro. I've unboxed this camera, and if you want to see the unboxing review of this camera, I'll put that in the description down below. This is my first video that I'm shooting with the a6700. I've just connected my DJI mic to this camera as well, and I'm just seeing what it's like to record unboxing videos, and I'm going to use this in the future to record videos like this, and I'm going to record various videos. Right now I'm using the kit lens, the 16-50mm lens, f3.5, but this one's f2.8, which is a lower aperture, which is much better. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to unbox it, then we're going to put this on the camera, and I'm going to show that with my iPhone 12. I'm going to go back to my iPhone 12 to shoot with this camera. So we get the Tamron instruction manual. We don't really need instruction manual for a lens, but so this is the lens, as you can see right here, the Tamron 11-20mm. So let's get this open. So we've got we're going to take this out, we're going to tip it upside down. Okay, so we just removed the box. Get rid of that, put that somewhere else, and that. So this is the Tamron lens. So let's get this open, shall we? So this is the actual lens. Look at that, it's actually really good quality. I like it. This is the Tamron lens, as you can see, quite a big lens. You've got the hood for it, and then we've got the really premium. I really like these lenses. Designed in Japan. Open it up. That's to put it on the camera. Look at that. That looks really good. I don't want to get dust in there. I want to be careful. So this is the Tamron 11-20mm full wide angle lens, wide angle shots. You can do f2.8 in there. You can go from 20 to 11. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this lens. Really good quality. So yeah, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to install it on this camera. Alright, so right now got my DJI mic still in this camera because it's going to take a while to take this off and put it on my phone. So this is, I'm recording with my iPhone 12 internal microphone. So this is the kit lens that came with the Sony a6700. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove this so we don't get any dust inside. We're just going to put that down. We are going to remove these lenses like so, and as you can see, we get to see the sensor. Okay, so we got it in, and as you can see, we've now successfully got the Tamron 11-20mm on this camera. Look at that, looks really professional. It's like I've got a rig now already, proper Tamron lens, and we've got the DJI mic. So yeah, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stop recording on here and I'm going to start shooting with this. All right, so we are now shooting with the Tamron 11-20mm. Look at this lens, it's actually insane. I've got it on ISO 100, the lowest ISO we can get. It's might be a bit too dark. So because we can punch it down to aperture 2.8, f2.8, we can now put it at a lower ISO as well, so we get less grain. So I can now shoot better videos with this. As you can see, we can shoot in low light. I'm going to put it down to 20mm, as you can see. So as you can see, it doesn't have that much of zooming in, but as you can see, really good for shooting videos like this. I could just easily, look at the autofocus on here as well, so like rapid. It's probably even better than these lenses. Look, this lens, I put a Tamron lens cover on it to protect it from dust. So as you can see, look at the autofocus, it's actually insane. And with that low aperture, we can get low light shots. I can now turn the light off, put the torch on, and we can still get good shots. Look at that, actually insane. It's the Tamron lens cover, really good. I'm really impressed with this camera because I got this camera today as well. I'm just going to show you various things like this power bank, Anker power bank. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go out and do some shots, and I'm going to overlay it in this video right now. I have no idea what it is. So yeah, these are the shots that I've got this lens. Yeah, it's really good lens. The autofocus system is really good on here. So yeah, as you can see, I can easily just do this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it off the tripod now. I'm going to try and get handheld shots. So I'm going to go through my videos doing handheld shots. You can use it for things like even like recording videos or vlogging. Really, really insane. I'm going to increase the ISO a little bit, just to 250. It might not have a lens stabilization, but the A6400 has built-in stabilization anyway, so it's not really an issue. But if you do have an A6400, then it might be a bit of an issue. Alright, so that was my unboxing review of the Tamron 11-20mm lens. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you in the next one.